Hello, my name is Yohan, and this is my demonstration video for homework 1. So I compiled module and inserted inside the kernel, and you can see the mouse hole is inserted here in the kernel. And this is where Jerry program exists. Actually, I had jerry.c file until today, but I unfortunately removed jerry.c file, and I googled it to restore the jerry.c file, but I could not. So I don't have jerry.c file right now, but I still have an executable file here, and I will test with this executable file. So let's execute Jerry executable file. This is the user interface of the module, and this is a guest user. So this is a guest user I made before to test, and this is a guest process. And if you execute this process, you can see that process is being run right now and has PID of 2317. And in Jerry, if you register guest 1, the username, and if you try to kill, you can see that the user ID is recognized by Jerry 1001. And if you try to kill the process of the guest 1, it was 2317 guest process 2317. You can see unallow process kill protected user so I made this be prompt to show that this is not killed because I have registered the guest for the username. So if you see here, guest process is still running normally, and if I change the username to myself, which is SYH30, which has UID of 1000, and if you kill this process again, you can see the process is terminated because the guest 1 user was removed from the username I have registered. So let's try in opposite way. By the way, I needed sudo password to kill this process because if you are another user, and if you want to kill the process of another user, and if you are not a root user, then you have to have a sudo password. So I prompted the sudo password, this part, to get the password, and I killed this process. So in the opposite way, if I want to kill myself, this is a Jerry program, which is this part with a PID of 2295. If I register Jerry, this is actually I have already registered Jerry. Let's do it again. The UID 1000 SYH30, which is this user myself, is registered. And if I want to kill the process of this program 2295, it is not killed because I've registered myself to be protected. And if I remove this, you can see the process is terminated because I have changed the username to guest 1. So if you check the current process, you can see that Jerry is not running anymore. And how I did it is how I did it is I replaced the system call of a process killing to my own defined function, so that it checks the UID and PID before the original system call, and if the condition matches, my function is called, and if condition is not matched, the original function called for system process killing is called. So I could not finish function 1, which is this part, because I was running out of my time. So this is all for my demonstration of my homework, and bye.